Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Well, macro is short for macronutrient. What's a macronutrient? They're the 3 categories of nutrients you eat the most and provide you with most of your energy: protein, carbohydrates and fats. So when you're counting your macros, you're counting the grams of proteins, carbs or fat that you're consuming.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How to calculate your macros. First, you need to know how many calories you eat or want to eat each day. I eat roughly 2,300 calories per day. Next, determine your ideal ratio. Then, multiply your total daily calories by your percentages. Finally, divide your calorie amounts by its calorie per gram number.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In short, the easiest and most useful way to count macronutrients is using a macro tracking app. It's also a good way to ensure you are sticking to your diet so that you get results. Tracking apps can be especially helpful for options that don't have a nutrition facts label, such as fresh meats and produce.
Take our lead.
1. Counting macros for weight loss. If you're counting macros for weight loss, you'll want to make sure you're counting macros in such a way that you're also cutting calories. Try this range of macro ratio for weight loss: 10 to 30% carbs, 40 to 50% protein, 30 to 40% fat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tracking what you eat can help you lose weight, but there isn't any evidence that tracking macros can offer you a greater weight loss advantage than other calorie-counting diet plans. With any eating plan, food quality matters.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.